Let's double check the Sonic, but I'm gonna analyze the FTM USD because this is a full history of the chart of the token. Because if you use this type of chart, it's absolutely zero history, right? So we can't build any trading idea, when you see this type of chart. That's why I highly recommend you use the some ticker and USD and find the crypto, spot crypto. Take a look. The fulfill of this gap can be even 2 cents. Of course, I don't think so. We're going to drop and close the fulfill now. In the next cycle, I'm more than sure we're going to see the FTM on the 2 cents. So now locally, maybe I will touch this token only at 4 cents or 3 cents. Only here. Logical stop, it's where we probably will find the support if the BTC will go down now to 60, 86 or 82K. I guess the FTM gonna close the gap of January 21. It's just weird. So what all that project trying to deliver, what they working so hard the last 4 years, so that token of your project startup going down 4 years, just unstoppable. It's kind of weird. So 6 cents, 0.76, it can be the support level, maybe 61 little bit of this gap, it's monthly gap, so 522. At this point, maybe I will try to open some long position with the futures. I don't want to tie this token for the spot, and no matter how high we're going to pump, no matter what will be next with this token, guys, I don't want to touch the tokens now anymore for the spot position, because I'm enough with the spot. And so people, I saw many posts like people need to stop trade futures with the leverage and invest in some solid projects. Come on, we invested in that solid projects during the last 3 years, but we could made more money with the trades, with some second leverage, third leverage. We can make more USD at the end, then we just froze the money on the spot. So that's a problem of this cycle. So no matter it's a solid project or not, what is bad? Here we saw the 3 rise pattern, February 23, and March 24, December 24, 3 rise pattern, we're going down. Anyway, sooner we will find some support, because we can't move always down. So this is a price action bounce, price action bounce. So soon, I guess we will rebound at least to 50% of this move. It can be approximately like 50 cents or 61. So definitely we will rebound, right? And after that, we need to take a look more about the timing. If in this case, it will be there, for example, spring 2026, most likely we're going to finish the right rebound from, let's say, 5 cents to 50 cents is going to be approximately, like, I guess, 1,000%. And we're going down into bear market again under 1 cent. Unfortunately, yes, it looks like logical case scenario for FTM. For Sonic now, find it supported 5 cents, bounce to the 50, everybody start talking about it. We're going to the moon to the $1, $2, $5, $10, and we reject and going down. Line chart looks like this one. So what people usually draw, so here, to touch, line extend, so this is a breakout, and we should skyrocket to the moon. But the problem is, charts always move to the right side. That's a problem with this token. That's why probably this is the next step, rejection. So yes, it looks logical, like March 2026, test 60 cents is more than real to see. It's going to be 1,000% gains for the Sonic. Maybe even with the breakout, right? Maybe we're gonna hit the $1 over than this liquidity pool, right? And definitely everybody waiting the sweep of this high, but I don't think so. We're gonna sweep it, unfortunately. So we already perform it like from the bottom here, 700 And if we drop to the 5 cents now or to the 6 and pump to the $1, it's going to be over than bigger pump than it was in since 2022. So it looks logical, right? For me personally. If you believe, of course, in new all-time high, you can wait the new all-time high. I don't think so. The Sonic will hit the new all-time high this cycle. Maybe in the next 3 years, in the next cycle, maybe if we'll see some crazy liquidity, all world start trade crypto, maybe we'll see the new all-time high. But now I don't see any reason why we should pump to new all-time high. And zone relevant. So let's double check, guys, now on daily where it's more than okay to buy back. So mark the levels, for examable, 0.5 level FIB, and wait, what the price action? What is it? How is it even possible? What this candle? And people still believe. So we trade against each other. We trade against the bots. So imagine, right? With a body candle here, or even with a week, someone not allowed to push price higher 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in a row and reject on the 6th day over than 1177. How is it even possible? Of course, it's a bots. It's soft. So the zone of support I showed you. Take a look. The ADZ is not an option to see on this chart. Direction. Highly recommended, by the way, use the dashboard. New indicator, this one, all in one. So the direction. Yes, somebody accumulated on the daily since November 20. And yes, I wish to see, of course, so we just test the monthly favorable gap and rebound from now. It's going to be the perfect scenario. But possible also the last shakeout to the bottom. Here's also accumulation. September 75. Since September 75, somebody accumulates. So build an average entry. The problem, like I always told you, the problem, they don't care about the time. So we care more about the time. And the whales, they get a lot of money for the best life ever, right? And we need the money now. We invest because we need quick gains. Here was time to sell. Now some accumulation. Technically, if we repeat the 2023, this was accumulation and pump. Maybe this cycle also, or this year, next one, it will be the same. Finally, we're in capitulation since August 2025. Monthly, we are finally in capitulation since June. We tested and made capitulation, and here's a June. So remember the chart, guys. If you find out, so for example, the CASPA, I don't want to blame the CASPA, but remember this chart. And for the tokens which performed like Pepe this cycle, the CASPA performed this way, the same way they will finish like an FTMS. So absolutely the same charts will be. I don't know how exactly the market makers adjust their soft to deliver the price for the 3 years, right? But it works. It works. So the same pattern for every single token. Take a look the money power weekly, some accumulation here. December, yes, 2 weeks in a row, some accumulation. That's why, again, I wish we just hold and test the monthly gap. So we just hold it, test it, and that's it. And bounce. But I'm not sure. Monthly, some accumulation was in August. So 26 cents. I wish to see one more. Some money inflow. Let's add alert to the money inflow, money power, money inflow. And the average entry will be like 26. And for example, like 6 cents, or now the average entry could be like 15. That's why after that at 60 cents, it will be 200%. And we will see maybe some seller pressure. Now, nothing, no money inflow. Daily, of course, a lot of RSI and MACD divergences here. 1, 2, 3 MACD divergences since November, beginning of November. RSI, November 22, bullish divergence, So I wish to see, of course, this move. Sideways and pump. Sweep this, break the structure, and going higher with a new structure, uptrend. But the worst case, guys, you have to be ready for the last leg down to the 6/10 because we still got like 2 weeks in December, and after that we will see how it goes. Trade on, signal to buy was here, recommendation close position November 9, now nothing. No buy, no sell. Weekly, what is bad? You know, for the weekly, guys, we still didn't see the signal take profit. So it's kind of weird because we last signal, so here in December 2026, and we still didn't see the signal take profit. So we need close all short position. Daily, of course, we saw it here. Sell, February 75, take profit, and buy. By the way, before I would like to show you the take profit indicator, I would like to check on the Binance. I can't see it because on the Binance, I guess the lowest point was 7 cents. Let's check as USDT on the Binance. Lowest point was October 758. All right, 758. It's let me check this one. So approximately 758. It's in this gap. 7. So yes, it's around this level, but no, not enough correction. Not enough. So the last one is take profit, guys. Daily, we on around the fundamental value. So the bounce can be to take profit line. It's 22.69 now. Weekly, we saw underrated. Last time we've been on the fundamental value here, May 22 and October 23. I hope we will not trade old Zone 26 just under this fundamental value line, and we will not waste one more year. I hope, but we can't know. So technically, this token is so underrated, right? Take profit line for FS token now it's 68 cents. So this is what I'm talking about. Most likely we'll see something like this one, maybe exit line 77 and going down into bear market. And after that, maybe if we'll see some crazy liquidity inflow into alts, we will see the recover back. Monthly, unfortunately, there is no data. Locally, daily, we are around the fundamental value and the 12 time frame. What do we can see that retest buy line at 796, fundamental value on 12 time frame 596. So like conclusion, guys, just be careful because we still got 2 weeks in December, you know, and we can see the one more leg down. From now it can be like 30% down. I hope we will not see this one. We make a reversal move V shape like from now to break the 1855 to break the structure, but be careful. You can add alerts. I add my alert to FTM money inflow on the 1 month time frame, so I will see the notification. By the way, today I saw the money inflow on the daily, what I added December 7 for H-bar daily. So I highly recommend you not skip the videos. And if you'd like to trade with my customer research, I will show in this video, write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.